once you get to college and you figure out how to get A's and you're doing cool stuff, get some jobs. Right? Get some jobs. This is a student of mine. Her name's Erin Gray. She had several jobs. Okay? This one job that she had, before I met her, she had this job going, which is this made-up job of talking into a camera about makeup and fashion stuff on her computer, which earned her $1,000 a month. Yeah, so she made $1,000 a month reviewing like 5 different kinds of gold eyeshadow and shampoo and clothes and stuff like that. That's pretty cool, right? When I learned that, I was like, and she had 60,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, this is when she was a college junior. 60,000 subscribers talking about 5 kinds of gold eyeshadow. I was like, oh my gosh, why don't you talk about study skills to students here? She's like, oh, I'm too shy. I'm like, don't be stupid, you have 60,000 subscribers. You're talking to a million weirdos about gold eyeshadow. Of course you can teach study skills. So I hired her to teach study skills at the university, which, by the way, if you want to help people at the university academically, you should know that the tutoring centers on your campuses, those are the highest paying student jobs on campus. She made $18 an hour 6 or 7 years ago, teaching people how to get better grades in less time and telling people to put their phones away, especially if they're in the front row. So, get lots of jobs. Now, every job that you might want, some jobs pay money, other jobs pay an experience. So, basically any job that might be available to you as a college student is going to pay between $0 and $20 an hour in dollars, and $0 and $20 an hour in meaningful experience. So, if you need money, you are perhaps less concerned about meaningful experience of the work you're doing. But if you don't need money, you have the luxury of going after jobs that are super interesting to you, even if they don't pay. So consider that right now. Who here has had like an honest to goodness job already? Who's had like a regular job, like a real working person? Okay, you people with your hands up have a massive advantage over everyone else when you get to college looking for jobs. Update your resume. If you don't have a resume, write one. Make it 1 page. Enjoy writing it. It's fun. It's like you telling people all the stuff you're good at. It's fun. You people that have already had jobs run circles around everyone else at college who has never had a job. It is super duper obvious who has never had a job in the college job world. So you have a massive advantage. Exploit that advantage. Show up and get a job. Every college freshman should work 10 hours a week. Don't wait for like, oh, I'm going to just take the first. No. Just work 10 hours. Start with 10. There is time. Right? College is way less work than high school. Hours-wise. Way less. So you got time to work. So go make some money or do something cool. But get a job or two. There's all kinds of kooky jobs at colleges. There was a job at my college where the job was hang out on the roof of the library and count the planes going by. That's a job.